friends, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel Inhale Academy. Friends, today we will discuss about rule of 9. In last session, we already discussed about what is bone and its classification. फ्रेंड्स, उस वीडियो को देखने के लिए ऊपर आई बटन के ऊपर क्लिक कीजिए. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज टॉपिक रूल ऑफ 9. When a patient come to hospital with complaint of bone injury, our first priority as a nursing personnel is assessment. So to assess the total body surface area by using rule of 9. What is rule of 9? It is a tool in pre-hospital and emergency to estimate the total body surface area, means TBSA, affected by a bone injury. Measurement of total body surface area is required for estimating the patient's fluid requirement after bone injury. Why it is called rule of 9? Because the percentage of bone is multiples of 9, like 4.5%, 9%, 18%, and if the whole body is bone, it is 100%. So the rule is called rule of 9. So by using rule of 9, how to assess it? Just have a look at this diagram. This diagram is the rule of 9 for adult. This is for the child. This is for the infant. If in an adult whole head is bone, we give it to 9%. If only front area of head is bone, we give it 4.5%. If back area is bone, then we give it 4.5%. So total head is 9%. Means front 4.5 and back 4.5. Then next, left hand is 9%. If anterior area of the hand is bone, left hand is bone, it should be give 4.5%. If posterior area of the left hand is bone, it should be give 4.5%. Then same, if right hand is bone, then it should be give total 9%. If only anterior part of the right hand is bone, it should be give 4.5%. If only posterior part of the hand is bone, it should be give 4.5%. So the total, if the total right hand is bone, it should be give 9%. And if total left hand is bone, it should be give 9%. Then next, if anterior trunk is bone, means if front side is bone, then we should give it 18%. If back side is bone, means posterior trunk is bone, we should give it 18%. If only genitalia is bone, it should be give 1%. If right leg is bone total, then it should give 18%. And if only anterior part of the right leg is bone, it should be give 9%. And if only posterior part of the right leg is bone, it should be give 9%. So total is 18%. If total right leg is bone, it should be give 18%. Then same, if total left leg is bone, it should be give 18%. If only anterior part of the left leg is bone, it should be give 9%. And if only posterior part of the left leg is bone, it should be give 9%. So total percentage of bone of left leg is 18%. So this is about adult. If the whole body of the adult is bone, then it is 100%. Then we go for child. If whole head is bone, then it is 18%. If only front part of the head is bone, it is 9%. If only posterior part or back of the head is bone, it is 9%. Total is 18%. If total left hand is bone, it is 9%. If only anterior part of the left hand is bone, it is 4.5%. If only posterior part of the left hand is bone, it is 4.5%. Total is 9%. If total right hand is bone, it is 9%. If only anterior part of the right hand is bone, it is 4.5%. If only posterior part of the right hand is bone, it is 4.5%. If anterior portion of the trunk is bone, it is 18%. Means if front part of the child is bone, it is 18%. If posterior part of the trunk is bone, it is 18%. Means if back side is bone, it is 18%. Then if genitalia is bone, it is 1%. If left leg is bone, totally it is 13.5%. If right leg is bone, totally it is 13.5%. So here also if total body surface area of the child is bone, it is 100%. Then we go for infant. If total head of the infant is bone, it is 18%. For front side it is 9%. For back side it is 9%. For head total it is 18%. If right hand is totally bone, it is 9%. For anterior part it is 4.5%. For posterior part it is 4.5%. For left hand, if totally bone, if left hand totally bone, it is 9%. For anterior part it is 4.5%. For posterior part it is 4.5%. For front side or anterior trunk it is 18%. For back it is 13%. Means if posterior trunk is bone, it is 13%. For anterior trunk it is 18%. For buttock it is 5% totally. For buttock totally it is 5%. For right buttock it is 2.5%. For left buttock it is 2.5%. For right leg totally, if right leg is totally bone, it is 14%. For anterior part it is 7%. For posterior part it is 7%. Like this, if left leg is totally bone, it is 14%. If anterior part is bone, it is 7%. And if posterior part is bone, it is 7%. Here also, if total infant body surface area is bone, it is 100%. Friends, this was for today's topic. Hope you will like this video. For more informative video, please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.